Before we started, do you guys ever wonder what are acids, bases, and salts, and are they counter-related with each other? Acids, bases, and salts are quite common, and we actually use them for our daily basis. Acid is a substance with a sour taste which is capable of neutralizing alkalis and reddening the blue litmus papers. Bases, in contra, is a substance which is capable of neutralizing acids and remain the color of the blue litmus papers. A combination of these two elements will actually produce salt and water. It is a way we actually obtain salts from. Today, we are going to share to all of you about acetic acid. Do you know what is acetic acid? Acetic acid is one of the example of acids that we commonly use in our meals, but we don't realize them. Do you know that a Muslim alchemist named Jabir bin Hayyan was the first man to extract acetic acid from vinegar by distillation process? Vinegar is often used in cooking since it is a solution that contains 4 to 5% of acetic acid that dissolves in water. Acetic acid chemical formula is CH3COOH. When acetic acid dissolves, it forms hydrogen ions where it undergoes dissociation, which indicates the acidic characteristics. Vinegar was used in methods of preservation of food, which is food pickling. It was then further used in acidification of alcoholic liquids where vinegar bacteria were exposed to air so it could be acidified by nature. In production of rubber, organic acids such as acetic acid are used as coagulants.
Acetic acid has its own side effects. If consumed concentrated thief, animal could be damaged as a vinegar is very acidic. You know, right? Okay, if beside that, acetic acid in apple cider tablet or capsule can burn your stomach if you take it without water.
In the year 1807, potassium was isolated by Sir Humphrey Davy in England. The English word potash, which is a short form for pot ashes, and the Arabic word kali, meaning alkali, is the origin name of potassium. Meanwhile, the origin of the symbol K comes from the Latin word kalium.
Basis changes red litmus paper to blue.
Potassium hydroxide is 360 degrees Celsius and its boiling point is 1327 degrees Celsius. It is typically aqueous solutions of different concentration.
Besides liquid soap, potassium hydroxide is also found in lotion, shampoos, hairsprays, and denture cleaners.
Can be extremely corrosive and can be a hazardous irritant when exposure at a high level. According to its material safety datasheet, it may cause irritation. Prolonged contact also may cause discoloration.
Now, we are going to talk about salt, specifically sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is actually the mixture of both volatile elements, which is sodium and chlorine.
Chloride has the properties to readily soluble in water and insoluble or only slightly soluble in most liquid. It is odorless but has a salty taste. Sodium chloride is an ionic compound which can be a conductor of electricity when dissolved in water or in molten state.
Too much sodium can lead to higher blood pressure and as well as fluid build-up. In people with congestive heart disease, cirrhosis or kidney disease, moreover, extra sodium also can cause the body to restrain water, increasing blood volume and causing the heart to work harder to move blood, placing more pressure on arteries which eventually lead to heart diseases.